Asian School of Business is a private institution established in 2015 located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It holds an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the institution's BCom program, beginning with its placements rated 2.8 stars. ASB's 2023 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Samsung, Deloitte, Wipro, Flipkart, and ICICI Bank, among others. As per students, the highest salary package for 2023 ranged from 10 to 12 lakh per annum. In comparison, ASB's average salary of 5 lakh per annum for BCom students outperforms Galgotia's University, which offers an average of 3 to 4 lakh per annum. ASB provides valuable industry experience through its 2-month national and international internships. These internships focus on real-life business practices and professional interaction. Additionally, ASB's Entrepreneurship Development and Incubation Center supports students with entrepreneurial skills, organizing workshops, competitions, guest lectures, and providing business support. Now about the BCom program itself, ASB offers a 3-year course which has a rating of 4.7 stars. Admission is based on CCSU merit list and an entrance test conducted by ASB. Candidates must have a minimum of 50% in their 10+2 exams. The total program fees for the 3-year program costs 2.96 lakh rupees. Scholarships are available based on 10+2 exams, performance, and ASB entrance test and personal interview rounds. Notably, the Student of the Year Scholarship awards 3 lakh rupees for overall excellence. The institution has a 3.4-star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Turning our attention to the 3.6 rated infrastructure. Lecture halls at ASB feature step-up seating, computers, LCD projectors, audio systems, air conditioning, internet, and modern teaching aids. The auditorium offers spacious seating for over 250 people and features AV facilities. The library provides extensive resources and digital services such as plagiarism checking. The computer lab features a 100-seat capacity, LAN, Wi-Fi, and a 100 Mbps leased line and the latest software. As per students, the hostel is hygienic and offers wellness facilities, a home theatre, study rooms, and co-curricular activities. Sports facilities include indoor games like carom, table tennis, pool, badminton, and chess, along with outdoor courts for football, basketball, volleyball, throwball, and kho-kho. Transitioning to faculty and course with a 3.6-star rating. Faculty members are highly qualified and supportive, providing clear, professional, and approachable teaching while addressing student queries. The institute also organizes industrial visits to places like Aravali Biodiversity Park, Times of India Press, and Coca-Cola. Asian School of Business has hosted 4 international conferences and 3 national seminars on diverse topics in business and education. The International Business and Management Research Center at ASB works with over 70 global organizations to provide networking and career advancement opportunities. The International Journal of Management and Technology, published biannually, covers research in management and IT. With a 3.5-star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. There are 12 active student-run clubs such as the Sports Club, Cultural Club, and the Literary Club, offering a wide range of activities and events. Major events like Freshers, Quiz Quest, and At Lima Sports Meet are organized regularly. Lastly, ASB is currently unranked as far as NIRF 2024 is concerned. For more details on Asian School of Business Noida and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now.